In this video, you'll learn how to create eye-catching announcements in Microsoft Teams. Announcements are a great way to grab attention in busy channels and make sure important updates don't get missed. With the right formatting and features, your messages can stand out and be easy to read. To get started, open Microsoft Teams and go to the team and channel where you want to post your announcement. Inside of the channel, click Announcement to open the full message editor. This layout is designed specifically for important messages and allows you to add a headline and background image. Enter a clear and concise headline. This is the first thing people will see, so keep it short and descriptive. Below the headline, type your main message. You can use formatting options like bold text, bullet points, and links to make your content easier to read. To make your announcement more visually appealing, add a background image or color. Choose an image that matches the message or your team's branding. Make sure the text remains readable against the background. You can also mention specific people or the entire channel using mentions, such as typing it followed by the channel name, to notify everyone about the announcement. Once everything looks good, click Post. Your announcement will appear in the channel with a large header and enhanced layout, making it stand out from regular posts. Using announcements is ideal for sharing important updates, deadlines, policy changes, or major team news. That's how to create eye-catching announcements in Microsoft Teams. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials.